Hey guys, it's Sandy. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be yet another look using my Natasha Denona palette. So I've had this look in my mind for a few days now, and I really wanted to sit down and film it for you guys. So I hope you like it, and let's get started.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night, it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby. We be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na. Oh, yeah, you my sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, 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 yeah. You know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. It's deeper than the ocean, baby. Stronger than your fears. Climb aboard my body, baby. You're invited here. I know you heard it feels like honey. Come and see for yourself. Don't say I didn't warn you, baby. You won't find this.
So I decided on my 7 cat lashes from IO Lashes. It's just the box because I already put one on and I'm about to put the other one on, so yeah.
Put fire in your blood through your veins. Can feel you burning up. Sweat dripping off your face. 'Cause I put fire in your blood. Maybe I'll get us some tonight. I know you heard it feels like flying. Come and see for yourself. Don't say I didn't warn you, baby. You won't talk about no one else. I put fire in your blood. Put fire in your blood. Through your veins, can feel you burning up. Sweat dripping off your face. 'Cause I put fire in your blood.
I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Chromographic on the waterline.
It's richer than your money, daddy. But you won't know.
Should I go do my hair? Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope that I was able to teach you something or give you some inspiration for a look using the Natasha Denona palette. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Feel you burning up.